In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Pocket FM app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if in one way or another you're trying to install this app but you are unable, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, you need to go to Google Play Store and make sure you are logged in with your Gmail account before you search for your app. So if you are already logged in but unable, then go to your profile icon on your Gmail here, tap on it, and then scroll down to settings. Under settings, look for this option called network preferences, and then tap on it, and under this you want to look for app download preference. If you tap on it, you can see we have three options here. Change this to over any network. This will ensure that you are able to download apps via any network you are connected to. So if you are on mobile data, you can use your data bundles to download and install this app, or you can connect to available Wi-Fi before you install it. To save the changes, tap on OK. Now go and try installing your app and everything should be okay. However, if you can't at this point, then you want to check and make sure that you have enough space on your phone. For that, you'll need to free up space if the space is the issue by deleting some of the apps that you no longer need, as well as you can delete photos and videos that you no longer use to free up space. You may want also to clean up your smartphone to clear all trash, and this will free up space that you can use to download and install your app. However, if the space is not the issue, then you need to go to Google Play Store app and access its app info page by just long pressing on it, and you should see app info. However, if you can't see this app info, then you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. That will depend on your smartphone version. So I'll go to app info here. For this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. At this point, we want to clear the app data. So if I go to clear data here, you can see we have this option for clear cache. Tap on it to clear cache. Once you have cleared cache, restart your smartphone and now go to your Play Store and search for Pocket FM. So here it is. And now let's try and see if I'll be able to install it. I'll tap on install and look at that. Now I'm able to install Pocket FM audio series app from Google Play Store. So that's how you can fix can't install Pocket FM app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.